Hello friends, Segment Pat, and welcome to another All Energy Australia Expo booth. But this time I'm with Chong from Tesseract, a really exciting company, but I'll let Chong tell us about Tesseract. Hello Chong.
Hello, hi.
Thank you very much for spending the time with us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
What do you do for the business, and tell me a little bit about Tesseract.
Tesseract, we had a very exciting product. We called Tesseract Zero, which is a VPP for home. We have we have the big business plan. We want about 50,000 homes for the VPP. Tesseract, we founded by a big vision. We want to make rooftop solar energy available for all Australian homes. Right now in Australia, so probably we have 35% home have the solar, 65% home do not have solar, do not have the battery. Those people have to pay very expensive electricity, and also electricity price going up and up. So Tesseract, we have this big vision. So we want to service this 65% people who do not have the solar, do not want to install the solar, and pay very expensive electricity. So the offer we made is we will investment to customer home to install the solar and the battery at our cost, and then we can sell customer cheaper electricity. For example, we offer customer in Adelaide, we offer customer 28 cents per kilowatt hours, 24 hours, 7 days.
Oh wow, okay.
And say compared to customers to pay the peak hour energy, they pay normally 56 cents, so they can saving 50% money on their peak hour usage. Thanks for this government battery rebate, so now we can upgrade our battery offer to customer. So per customer, we can install 20 kilowatt hours battery,
right, okay.
6.6 kilowatt hours, 6.6 kilowatt solar. That give customer cover 100% evening time usage.
Right.
So therefore, customer can have a greater cost saving.
So for example, if I sort of say it back to you so I can understand it clearly, we've got a customer who's looking to save money because energy prices are going up and up and up, and solar and batteries are a way to do it. But then they get a quote from a provider and it's $30,000, $25,000, very, very pricey. But what Tesseract Zero is doing is they're offering hardware as a service in a sense. So you'll go in, install a battery and a solar panel, inverter and all that. Then you support and maintain it for 10 years. And what you're offering to the consumer is 28 cents per kilowatt all day, every day. That's amazing. And that's really cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Then even more exciting is we can fix price for 28 cents for 10 years.
Yes.
Compared to all the current energy providers on the market, big one, small one, nobody can fix price over a year.
Of course. So what about CPI? No CPI on the 28 cents? No CPI, no increases.
Flat rate.
So you could almost say you are a power provider, like a power company, because you are technically taking the customer off whatever power provider they have, and you're becoming the de facto power provider they get energy from.
In this sense, we say our new generation energy provider. So we are distributed clean energy provider.
Wow. And so if, for example, year 5, I'm having some trouble with the inverter, I call Tesseract and I say, hey guys, you come out and fix it. You don't have to do anything. You just sort it out for me, and I'm always getting
exactly. So this is why we want to solve the customer anxiety about solar technology. So now the barrier for customers move to the solar not only come from initial investment and also anxiety about the breakdown, about additional investment, about long run. So because we fix everything, so customer with us just like they buy the energy from the grid, except it's a lot cheaper.
Sure. And what happens at the end of 10 years? What happens?
After 10 years, a customer can have 2 options. One option, they can stop the program. So we give the solar panel customer free. We remove the battery.
Okay.
all alternative customers also can buy the battery at a discounted price.
Sure. Okay. And so then, so at the moment, the rebates, the battery rebate is providing a certain amount of dollars. That's going to start getting lower and lower over the next few years. And we know that people are investing heavily now, but what about the people who can't do it today? And a year or two from now, do you think there's going to be a big uptake in an offering like yours versus buying directly, because now the rebate's lower, the prices are going to go up? How do you see that happening in the future?
I think government battery definitely will be, each year will be reduced, but our offer to the market will be remain the same. Because we believe through our technology, through our OEM partnership, and then we can reduce our cost base or increase our revenue. So we're still able to provide our service to the customer in the long run.
And what kind of brands do you work with from a battery and inverter type?
First, we had a partnership agreement with OEM supplier. So we are technical team deep design and specify the product together with OEMs. Right now we work with a company like Weihong, with Alpha ESS, and also the SAJ.
Yes. Okay, fantastic. So with Tesseract, what do you see in the future? Like, where are you working at the moment? Which regions of Australia?
Okay. Right now, Tesseract already had a successful pilot project, which is in Adelaide. So we had 60 customers, successful customers. Now we want to launch the 3,000 home offer by the end of next year. So that offer will be expansion to New South Wales, mainly Sydney, Central Coast area, and also, of course, the South Australia.
Right, so on the East Coast at the moment, and of course in the future, do you plan to come to WA?
Yeah, of course, yeah. And then we need to build some partnership in WA who understand the local customer need. Definitely, that's our we are looking forward to.
Yeah, amazing. Thank you very much, Chong. I wish you all the best with Tesseract Zero, and thank you for your time today.
Okay.
Friends, I will put the links below to Tesseract Zero if you want to check it out. If you're on the East Coast, it'll be a fantastic solution. I really believe that when the money runs out from the federal rebate, Tesseract Zero is going to go gangbusters on services like this. So check the links below if you're interested, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.